A political office in Manipur was vandalized amid growing anger over the deaths of 6 Naga men who had been missing for nearly a month. The headquarters of the Manipur unit of the Naga People's Front or NPF at Liangmai Tafo in Senapati district was reportedly ransacked on Thursday. According to reports, unidentified miscreants entered the premises during the night of June 10th and caused extensive damage. Visuals from the site showed furniture overturned and office materials scattered across the building. The damage reflected the deep anger and grief that have gripped the region in recent days. The incident comes amid heightened tensions following the recovery of 6 bodies believed to be those of Naga civilians abducted on May 13. The United Naga Council or UNC confirmed that the 6 missing men had been found dead. The organization alleged that the victims had been held hostage for weeks before being killed. The council further claimed that the bodies showed signs of mutilation and dismemberment. The allegations have shocked communities across Naga inhabited areas of Manipur. The deaths have triggered widespread outrage. Several social and community organizations have condemned the killings and demanded immediate justice. Protests have erupted in different parts of the state. Demonstrators have accused the authorities of failing to ensure the safety of innocent civilians. Many protesters questioned how the abducted man and remained in captivity for such a long period. They demanded a detailed investigation into the incident. The vandalism of the NPF office appears to have occurred against the backdrop of this protest. Public anger has continued to grow since news of the deaths emerged. Community leaders have expressed concern over the situation. They have appealed for calm while demanding accountability for the killings. Security has been tightened in sensitive areas. Police and other security personnel are monitoring developments closely to prevent further unrest. Authorities have launched an investigation into the vandalism. However, no arrest had been reported at the time of filing the report. No injuries were reported during the attack on the political office. The recovery of the 6 bodies has once again highlighted the fragile security situation in Manipur. The state has witnessed repeated episodes of violence and ethnic tensions in recent years. Civil society groups have urged the government to take stronger measures to protect the civilians and restore confidence among local communities. There have also been calls for swift action against those responsible for the abduction and deaths of the 6 men. The Naga People's Front had not issued an official statement on the vandalism at the time of reporting. A response from the Manipur government was also awaited. As investigations continue, demands for justice are growing louder across the region. The deaths of the 6 Naga men and the subsequent attack on the political office have added a new layer of tensions to an already sensitive situation in Manipur. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.